Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel, and today we are going to be understanding how to solve simple interest questions without using formulas. So let's start. Before I move on, let me tell you that I have also made a part 1 of this video in which I have explained how we can do these questions, in which I have basically explained how to do simple interest and what basically simple interest is. So if you haven't watched that already, please do. I'll add that link in the description. Alright, now let's start. So let's take it that the principal, which is the money that is borrowed, is rupees 10,000. And let's say that your rate, which is the extra money that's charged on the principal when you are collecting it back, let's say that's 5% per annum. Per annum basically per year, as I had explained in the explanation part 1 video as well, whose link is in the description. Let's say that the time is 2 years and and we have to find the simple interest. So as I had explained in the previous video also, that SI is equal to PRT by 100. And so basically I'll tell you how you can do without actually, so basically for this video we'll be taking this formula to solve the others without actually using the formulas of the other elements like rate, time, principal, etc, etc. For example, so first let us calculate what is the simple interest. So what is our principal? 10,000. What is our rate? 5%. And time is 2 years. Basically, we'll be using linear equations to solve these. First, of course, we'll calculate the simple interest directly without any equations. So this will be rupees 1,000. That's it. Rupees 1,000. Now let us solve. Let's say principal. Now we know that the principal is SI into 100 upon R into T. So how can we do it without that? We'll use this formula here, which I had explained in the previous video. And by the way, you can click on the top right corner or top right hand corner also to access that video now. Now SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. The SI, so basically we know that what is the simple interest, we just calculated it as 1,000 rupees. Principal we have to calculate into, so let's take the principal to be X. Okay, I find that more comfortable. You can take P also. So what is our rate here? It was 5%. And then what is the time? 2 years upon 100. Right? Now what you will be doing is, so let's reduce this portion here. It's become X by 10. 1x by 10 is equal to 1,000. So basically X is equal to 1,000 into 10 upon 1. You can just cut it out by 1 just for clarification. And then this will become 10,000. So 10,000 was our answer, was the principal in the beginning. Now let's say that we want to calculate the time. The time is SI into 100 upon R into E. Now what we'll be doing is, let the time be X. So in the formula, SI is equal to P into R into T upon 100. We'll be doing 1,000 is equal to 10,000 into, what is our rate? 5 into, now we are taking the time to be X upon 100, right? Now stash these two zeros here. It becomes 1,000 is equal to 500x, right? Now 500x is equal to 1,000. So x is equal to 1,000 upon 500, which is 2 years. 2 years. And you can see that it indeed was 2 years. Now let's say you want to calculate the rate. So now we'll take, so the rate formula is SI into 100 upon P into T. Now basically what we'll be doing is that we will take the rate to be x, and we'll put it into the formula S is equal to P into R into T upon 100. Basically 1000 is equal to, what is our principle? What is our principle here? 10,000. 10,000. What is our rate here? So we are taking it to be x. What's our time? 2 upon 100. Cut these two zeros with these. It becomes 1000 is equal to 200x. Basically 200x is equal to 1000. You can solve it that way also, but I find having the variables on the left hand side. This thing upon 200. So you can see we come out with 5% per annum. And as you can see, our rate was indeed 5% per annum. So hope you liked that video. Please do check out my first video on simple interest as well. Link is in the description. And I'll see you in the next video, and bye. And yes, my compound interest link video link is in the description, or you can just access it by clicking on the top right corner now. Bye.